Hey guys, we are finally back to filming after I don't even know how long. Honest to God, I really missed it. I've just been super busy moving out and traveling and working. And it's just been really busy, and I cannot wait to go back to filming to my regular routine because I really miss it. So definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay notified of when I upload my next video, which is going to be very soon. And the next few videos that are going to be coming up are going to be super exciting and finally some really good content. So please subscribe and don't forget to follow me on my socials, on my TikTok and my Instagram, which I'll be linking in the description below, because when I'm not posting on YouTube, I'm constantly posting on my other socials, so definitely keep following me on those. So yeah, let's get back to the topic of today's video, which is gonna be another hair video, which are my favorite ones to make, as you guys know, because hair is everything, honey. Switching up your hair just even a little bit can make you feel like a completely different person, can make you feel more confident, more powerful, you know, and all that good stuff. So I'm sure you guys have seen the clean girl aesthetic and these clean girl videos going around with the really natural minimal makeup girl. But yeah, it's a really cool trend to try out, and in these videos everyone has their hair really tight, neat and sleek and wet and straight and glossy, silky and all that stuff. Which, by the way, if you have textured hair, curly hair, wavy hair or any of that, then you know it is such a task to straighten your hair. So we're gonna be trying a really quick clean girl hairstyle on my wavy, curly hair, whatever, without the use of a straightener, because yeah, we know how damaging that is, but we still love it. This is my attempt to keep it as quick as possible with minimal damage and still get that neat, clean, sleeked out look like those it girls or that girl aesthetic, everything that's going around, you know, these days. I'm gonna be doing a sleek ponytail on my really puffy textured hair using the ponytail extensions that was sent to me by Vivien Hair. They sent me this 100% real human hair and these really cute lashes. So let's see how this feels. Oh my god, it's really soft, you guys, and the color looks gorgeous. I'm really happy with the color. I think it's such a universal shade, matches my hair perfectly, and I think it's gonna match pretty much everyone with dark hair or even ombre hair like mine. It's got the little clip to tuck in your ponytail, and of course this thing to wrap it around and give it that really clean look, which we want to achieve. And this is 100% real human hair, so it can be washed, styled, so you can basically do anything that you do on a natural hair. So it's so worth it, and it can save you so much time and damage. So yeah, I think these are super handy to have and a really good investment. If you want to grab one of these, you can find it on their website, which is vivienhair.com, and I even have a discount code for you guys, which is shesthelife 20, which you can use on their website to save a lot. So I think you can get a really good deal. So yeah, check them out. I'll leave all the details in the description. So let's try it on. So firstly, I'm just gonna quickly brush out the crown of my head with a boar brush, which has these spins, which makes smoothing and slicking down my hair so much easier. As you can see, it already looks really smooth. And to further tighten it and lock it down and really get that slick, wet look, I'm gonna water spray like the roots of my hair and also use some gel and kind of slick it all out. I just water sprayed my hair and I'm just gonna do a tight ponytail, and I'm gonna try and make that super high. If you don't know this hack, by the way, ponytails really give you a facelift, which is why models always go for this really high ponytails or slick down buns, you know, Ariana Grande as well, because it really gives you that clean facelift without Botox. So yeah, I'm just brushing it all out until it's smooth and as tight as I wanted. And if your hair is a lot more stubborn than mine, you can use loads of gel or whatever product suits you. I'm just gonna take out my bangs, then I'll just secure the ponytail and make sure it's nice and tight and as high as I want. Now, if you have thin hair, you can probably skip this step, but if your hair is pretty puffy, you'll want to kind of braid it down just so it holds, so that it's really thin and tight, because if it's puffy, it's not gonna fit inside the ponytail. It doesn't have to be neat, just wanna make sure it's held together. Something like that, I think that should do it. And now I'm gonna go in with the extension piece, and you can see there's a little clip here. I'm just gonna tuck this on top of my ponytail like that. You want to make sure this is as tight as possible so that it's secure and stays that way. I'm just going to use this piece to go all around a couple of times like that. Hold the ponytail like this and just keep wrapping. You can just secure the end around with some bobby pin. And that is pretty much it, you guys. This literally just took me 5 minutes and it looks like it's been done at the salon. Oh my gosh, I really love how this looks on me. I feel so dainty. Of course, if you want to style it, you can do some big loose curls, which I think would look super cute. If you want it even straighter, even more slick, you can just run through your hair with more gel or hairspray and run a straightener through it if you want. But I wanted to keep it as effortless and quick as possible without damage. I wanted to go for the, you know, really quick lazy girls hairstyle. Yeah, you know, I don't really have that much of time to, you know, get ready, so I'm always looking for like the quickest, easiest hats and stuff. So yeah, that's it for this video. For the rest of the details, you can just check out my description. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. Everything will be in the description. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next few videos, which are going to be so exciting. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe for all that. And yeah, bye.